How to change promo code in OneXBet. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to change the promo code in your OneXBet account, you need to go to the settings, tap on this menu option in the bottom right. Next up, select this other option over here. Now tap on this promo option over here. Once you're in this promo page, you can see your promo codes over here. Tap on this. If you have any promo codes, it'll appear over here. Now, in order to change the promo code, you need to create a new promo code. So for that, you can tap on this shop section. Over here, you can see different options, different categories from where you can create the promo codes. Let's say if you want to create the promo code for the football accumulator, tap on this. You can see this 50 points per code. So you have to spend 50 points in order to create a new promo code. So if you have 50 points in your account, you can simply tap on this buy for 50 points tab and you will be able to generate a new promo code. So that's how you can change promo code in OneXBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.